Shingles daw que zilawasis las loves wayo que sikolawasis la weak people, la wasik puentos sa basi puentos, people who do not sleep well, those who do not drink enough water are always tired. People with low defenses. Sentos ay no son inan, and if the shingles are wrapping around you, things can get complicated. How do you eliminate shingles? How do you reverse that pain, that discomfort you're feeling? And how do you ensure that the virus, that this disease, this condition can be turned off to the point that it never bothers you again? Shingles is a skin rash caused by a virus, the famous Herpes Zoster, a virus that hides among our nerves, specifically hiding in the nerves that go around your body or perhaps travel down your leg to a place where you see a line marked. That's where the herpes hides and takes advantage when you are dehydrated, poorly rested, poorly fed, with immune problems, stressed, nervous, to appear and make your life even more difficult. The important thing is to know how to eliminate it, how to ensure that you can control this virus, so that the body keeps it under control, shuts it down, and practically makes it, so to speak, disappear with what I am going to reveal in this video. But before continuing, I ask you to subscribe to the channel. Press this little bell button so you receive notifications, because it's likely that a video I publish about something related to your health might reach you, and with that little advice, it could even save your life. Number 1. What does it mean when shingles wraps around your body? No? Shingles is basically the colloquial way of saying that you are infected with a virus like herpes zoster. And herpes loves to hide in the nerves, precisely where that line appears that wraps around the thorax, or maybe it appears on the leg, in the mouth, on the back, in certain places where that virus precisely erupts, reproduces, and gives you the unbearable symptoms of pain that often leave you not knowing what to do to solve it. But what does this mean? It means that you are probably experiencing altered risk factors, and if it is spreading, it means your body is practically unable to control it. The situation is getting out of control, and it is possible that risk factors such as advanced age are affecting you, like nervousness and lack of sleep, or maybe you have an immunosuppressive disease like HIV, AIDS, which, don't worry, maybe it's not your case, but immunity is suppressed, and with this, any type of virus, any cold takes over the body and logically affects you much more. If it wraps around your chest, you are probably at risk of suffering some complications such as pneumonia, encephalitis, that is inflammation of the nerves and the brain, hepatitis, infection or inflammation of the liver, and logically, it puts your life at risk because things are already getting out of control. If it turns around, it's not a good sign, and now I'm going to show you how you can fix it. I recommend that you take supplements that can help you. I will talk about that in a moment, but you can look for Omega-3 Max, Phenupro, Free Out, Zerasud, Metathread from Finland at finlandvitamins.com. Number 2, what you should do to control or eliminate your problem. No saino mooleka. Once you have shingles that are spreading all over your body, wrapping around you, or you might still have a minor symptom, it's time to take action to ensure your situation doesn't worsen. It starts with unbearable pain on the skin, which is why it's called shingles, like a snake that hurts and you can't stop moving. That is called Post-Herpetic Neuralgia, meaning a nerve pain on the skin that sometimes we can't even tolerate the shirt we wear. This can later lead to secondary bacterial infections, such as infections or lesions caused by bacteria, if you are not careful. Or it could also affect an organ like the liver, the lungs, or even an eye condition, which often relates to infections of the nerves affected by herpes zoster. But what should you do? That is the most important thing. To be able to reverse this problem, you have to make sure to boost your immune system, the only one that will be able to control this virus, to suppress it, tighten it, and push it back to the depths of the nerves so it does not come out again is your immune system. No medication, no drug is going to be able to achieve it. The only thing you can do is take the necessary steps to boost your immune system and control that herpes that is bothering you. And now I am going to explain how you are going to do it. If you want something natural that can help you control this problem, I strongly, greatly suggest that you take it and do it consistently. Look for Neuromatrix, HEPA-Clean, Omega-3 Max, Free Out, and Serasud de Finland at finlandvitamins.com. Number 3, you must boost your immune system so this can be eliminated. The immune system is the key to shingles. It is the key to controlling this herpes you are suffering from. And for that, you have to make sure your body is fortified with all the ingredients and tools or weapons necessary to fight this virus. The first thing you should do is drink plenty of water. Make sure the water you are consuming keeps you hydrated. When you go to sleep, secondly, make sure you are resting. If you are not sleeping, if you are not resting, which is the key word, your immune system will decrease, shingles will emerge, and you will have another outbreak of herpes that you cannot control. In third place, un 200 puntos in our masesi, it is very important that you consume light foods equal. No fats in large amounts, no bread in large amounts, no sugars, things that weigh down your digestion, that make it difficult for the body to function, because instead of focusing on fighting shingles, your body will struggle with poorly digested food, an inflamed liver, and it will complicate the whole situation. And number 4, very important that many people don't realize, is that herpes loves, shingles is fascinated by. When a person is nervous, anxious, worried, constantly thinking about life's problems or how to solve their illnesses, that's where the immune system gets destroyed, collapses, and the shingles live like a king on the skin that's hurting and tormenting you. Shingles is a skin rash caused by a virus, the famous Herpes Zoster, a virus that hides among our nerves, specifically hiding in the nerves that go around your body or perhaps travel down your leg to a place where you see a line marked. That's where the herpes hides and takes advantage when you're dehydrated, sleep-deprived, poorly nourished. You should strengthen your immune system, and for that, use vitamin C such as Ultra C 1000, IM Defense, Immunoguard, or maybe Probilion, which can greatly help you solve this problem and regain the health that you are probably suffering from with the pain you have now. Like the video, much love, and a big hug.